Welcome to this explainer on navigating the Louisiana SNAP online renewal process. I'm here to guide you through this today because honestly, securing your family's nutritional support shouldn't be a source of stress.
Are you struggling with renewing your SNAP benefits online in Louisiana? Don't worry, we've got you covered with this step-by-step guide that makes the process a breeze. Seriously, whether you're a first-time applicant trying to figure out the system or you just want to make absolutely sure there are no gaps in your household's coverage, you are in the exact right place.
So here's our roadmap for the 6 steps we're going to take together today. We'll start with an introduction to SNAP renewals, move into preparing your documents, then accessing the LA Cafe portal, completing and submitting your form, follow-up and support, and finally, a quick conclusion and disclaimer. Let's dive right in. Section 1. Introduction to SNAP renewals. Let's briefly look at what SNAP actually is and why staying on top of your renewals is absolutely critical for your household's budget.
First off, it's so important to remember you aren't alone in this. Right now, over 430,000 Louisiana households rely on SNAP every single month to stretch their budget and purchase essential groceries. That is a massive portion of our state utilizing the Louisiana Purchase EBT card as a real, vital financial lifeline. But, those benefits don't just roll over indefinitely on their own. To keep them going, you have to complete a redetermination. That's really just the official government term for a renewal form. The Department of Children and Family Services, or DCFS, requires this to verify that you're still eligible and to catch any changes in your income or household size. For the vast majority of folks, this whole process happens typically every 12 months. However, not all renewals are exactly identical. While most people go through the standard annual renewal, there's a streamlined track called LOCCAP. This is specifically for seniors over 60 and disabled individuals receiving Supplemental Security Income, or SSI. LOCCAP features a much simpler form and longer certification periods, which basically means less paperwork, less often. But for everyone else, that standard 12-month cycle is what we're preparing for today.
All right, moving on to Section 2, preparing your documents. The real secret to a completely stress-free renewal process is getting everything totally organized before you even turn on your computer or pick up your phone.
Organization is key here. To prevent any annoying processing delays, make sure you have digital copies or even just really clear photos of your essential documents ready to upload. You're going to need your proof of identity, like a driver's license, recent pay stubs from the last 4 weeks to prove earned income, social security numbers for everyone in your household, verification of any unearned income like SSI or child support, and proof of your residency and utility costs. Honestly, having these snapped and saved on your device can literally shave weeks off your wait time.
Okay, Section 3, accessing the LFCafe portal. Now that you're armed with your documents, let's navigate to where the actual application happens.
Louisiana uses a pretty robust system called LA Cafe, which stands for Common Access Front End. It's a highly secure online portal that lets you bypass mailing those clunky paper forms entirely. The real beauty of LA Cafe is that it gives you instant confirmation of your submission, so you get immediate peace of mind knowing your paperwork didn't just get lost in the mail.
Once you create your account or log in with your existing info, you absolutely cannot skip this next vital step: linking your existing cases to your online profile. You'll do this by plugging in your date of birth, social security number, and the first 5 letters of your last name. Only after your cases are linked up will you actually be able to hit the My Redeterminations tab and see your renewal form.
Section 4. Completing and submitting. With those cases successfully linked, you're officially ready to fill out the form and submit it to the state.
Now, quick note. In some instances, Louisiana uses what's called an ex parte process. Basically, this means the state automatically checks your income and household data against federal and state hubs, like the IRS, Social Security, and quarterly wage reports. If everything matches up perfectly and your household hasn't changed, your coverage might just continue automatically without you lifting a finger. You'll just get a notice in the mail letting you know you're good to go. But if you do get a notice saying you need to manually fill out the form, pay close attention here. Make sure you submit it within the 45-day window before your deadline. Also, remember that federal rules require you to report major changes in income or household size within 10 days of them happening. And hey, here's a really great feature of LOCCAFIA. If you get interrupted while applying, just hit Save and Exit. The portal securely stores your incomplete form for up to 30 days so you can pick up exactly where you left off later. Don't forget to upload all those verification documents we talked about too. Section 5. Follow-up and support. So what happens after you hit submit, and what do you do if you hit a snag?
Timing is literally everything with this.
About 45 days before your renewal is due, DCFS mails out your notice. Now, if you completely miss your due date, your EBT funding will be suspended, meaning no new funds get added to your card the next month. But hey, don't panic. If you submit your documents within a 30-day grace period after your closure, the state might reinstate a portion of that month's benefits without making you start a brand new application from scratch.
And you know, the state is working hard on their end as well. Processing is generally quite efficient. For example, state data from April 2026 shows that 66% of certain medical assistance applications were processed in just 7 days or less. For SNAP, eligibility is typically determined within 30 days of your submission. Bottom line, the faster you submit your documents, the faster they can give you an answer.
Now, if you get stuck at any point, there is an absolute abundance of help out there. You can call the DCFS Help Desk hotline at 1-888-LA-HELPU. That's 1-888-524-3578. Or you can shoot them an email. Prefer face-to-face? Local DCS offices are open. Plus, there's some incredible free resources, like dedicated SNAP application specialists available through Feeding Louisiana's network of local food banks, who will happily walk you through the entire process at zero cost.
Which brings us to Section 6, Conclusion and Disclaimer. Let's wrap up our time today with some final empowering takeaways and a brief legal note.
Ultimately, renewing online through LA Cafe is simply the fastest, most direct way to secure your family's continued nutritional support. By getting your documents prepped early and using the digital portal, you're taking proactive control of your financial stability. You're ensuring your family gets the nutritional fuel they need to thrive, without the lingering anxiety of a piece of mail getting lost in transit.
And please keep in mind, this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal or financial advice. Please consult the official Louisiana DCFS resources or a legal professional for personalized assistance.
So you've got the roadmap, you've got the checklist, and you've got the tools. Are you ready to log into LACAF and secure your SNAP benefits today? What could that continuous support and peace of mind mean for your family this month? Go ahead, gather those documents, log in, and keep your household moving forward. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll see you next time.